Good morning, everybody. This is our camp spot for today. Driving out of the city to where it's nice and quiet and peaceful. It's just so nice. I want to show you what I'm cooking today in the Instapot. Got my solar panel out there charging my Kodiak. And right above the car, maybe you can see it, snowy mountain peaks. So pretty. We're cooking in the back of the van today. We're going to use the Jackery and the Instapot. I'll push Saute, and then I'm going to make it for, I don't think you can see it. Just throw in some butter, some chopped potatoes. Buddy can barely believe his nose. Can't believe I'm cooking in here. Some more butter. And some more chopped potatoes. They're already cooked. This is the coolest thing in the world, to be able to cook inside the van and not have to be concerned about propane fumes. Yay! Now I'm adding in some chopped roast beef. My first meal cooked with the Instant Pot and the Jackery inside my van. Yay! And my favorite brand of whole milk. Bon appetit! This is really good. You know, I was just sitting here watching the birds. I was thinking about, Jesus said, look at the birds of the field. They don't plant. They don't store up any food. But your Heavenly Father feeds them. Victory! There's victory in Jesus. He's got the answers. So that's it for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you next time. Be sure and subscribe. Adios. Mwah. God bless you all. Bye.